I've got some deluxe stir fry. I'm trying to not crinkle the bag. It already comes with the green beans, carrots, baby corn cobs, water chestnuts, and red bell peppers. And I'll show you how to make this delicious meat mixture. And this is so good. This is so good and easy to make. You could have this like almost daily for lunch or for dinner. While I am setting my skillet here to about 375, let me say welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Sophronia. We're going to add some sesame seed oil, just a bit. I don't want to overpower the dish. I don't know, what's that? Maybe a quarter teaspoon or a half a teaspoon. And then for the rest of the oil, I'm going to use olive oil. And this is just so I have enough oil to cook our vegetables. Go ahead and get that going. You're going to want to start by preheating a skillet, adding some oil, and then chopping a medium to large onion and adding that to your skillet. Stir it around a bit. This is the 2 largest cloves of garlic that were on my cutting board. And I'm not going to wait for this to cook all the way. This is a little over 2 pounds of the ground beef. I'm actually going to only use half of this. Add about a tablespoon of diced fresh ginger. Okay, now let's go ahead and season this. A bit of onion powder. I mean, I know we already have onion, but can you have too much onion flavor? Some garlic powder. Same as what I just said about the onion. Salt, of course. I have real ginger in there already, and I'm also going to add some ground ginger. When you already have your fresh ingredients and then you add dried ones, to me, that just adds extra complexities to the taste. So why not? I'm going to stir this. Wow, this smells like ginger. It smells really, really good. As a matter of fact, I might add a bit more ginger. That ginger smells so good. I just had to add a bit more. This is cooked through enough, but this was lean beef, so the grease isn't too bad, but see that collecting? I still want to drain this. Sesame seed oil. Not very much at all. And a little more olive oil. Let's pour this in. Spread it out. And then I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm going to salt it, of course. Pepper. I don't think there's much pepper coming out of here. That's better. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Wrong one. This one's already open. And I feel like we should really have ground ginger in here because it's stir fried. Plus, I love the taste of ginger. Turn the temperature up to 400 and keep stirring it. And we'll take a look at it. And I'll let you know about how long it took for it to cook. I found some green onion in my fridge, slightly past its prime, that I wanted to go ahead and use. Also add in your meat mixture and stir everything up. Let's take a look at this, shall we? Can you see it? Can you see I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it, but this is right out of the skillet. Even though I love baby corn, I think that's what this is called, this little mini corn on the cob. It is not keto, and I'm glad that I remembered this. I'm actually going to give this plate to someone else for lunch, but I'm just going to try the vegetables that I know I can eat. So I've gotten some broccoli, some peppers, and the meat, of course. Mmm. The vegetables are still firm. I think it took me about, it was 5 to 7 minutes to cook the vegetables. So as soon as they started looking done, um, and it seemed heated all the way through, I stopped cooking them. So it still has good crispness to it. You could add some coconut aminos to this or soy sauce, but since this is not my plate, yes, I am eating off of someone else's plate for demonstration purposes. I will not add that, but it tastes really good without it. Wow, that's delicious. And I am going to resist that baby corn, even though it's smiling at me. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Check that you liked it. Leave me a comment. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out for you. And make sure to look on the screen because there's another video that you can watch right after this one. And I will see you in the next video.